All right, we're going to go ahead and make the other half of this block. It's going to be the hinge side. So it's going to be another one where we start from an existing sketch. We're going to actually use the same one right here. So I'm going to open this up, and we're going to do some modifications to the sketch we just did. In reality, it'd probably be easier to have done the hinge side first and then come back into this, but it won't really matter. All right, so I'm going to go through, and I almost ignored my own advice. So the first thing we're going to do is save this as and change the name. So let's do this as the hinge. All right, now that that is done, we can go ahead and open up this sketch. And we've done some stuff in here to kind of finish this up, but we're going to have to go back through and undo some of that. So let's go ahead and add this stuff back in because it will very much be needed. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and trim through some of the stuff that we don't need here, here, any of that kind of thing. This will be fine. We are going to do a little bit of a trick here though, because I don't actually need this on this surface over here. I do want it over on this. So I'm going to click my sketch and say redefine sketch plane. And I'm going to choose this one over here. And then I have to go back through and edit my extrusion. So I'm going to go back through this edge over here. And I'm going to do this negative 1.2. I'm going to choose to click that as well. Now I do still have that midpoint. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go back in and turn this off of symmetrical. Please. We're going to go ahead and beef this up a little bit more. It needs to be a little bit larger. So we'll do 2.4, which was what I thought I was getting before. All right, so we have that mirror plane that we created earlier. Let's go ahead and turn that back on. And let's go ahead and use our mirror tool. We're going to use it on the feature we just created. That one. We'll select this plane here. Now we have two of these. Now we do still have that original sketch. So let's go back through, turn that sketch back on. And we're going to use the last little bit of this guy here. I'm going to choose to extrude all the way through and join. There are a couple of different ways I could do this, but let's go through and do two object here. And I'm going to extrude to that plane, and then I'm just going to change this to join. Okay. That is my hinge side. I know this one was a little messier and a little louder than we would like, but that is how you create that part. It's very simple. So let's go ahead and stop the video here.